Welcome back to Prosperity Pathway 101. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for our financial future. Personal finance advice for millennials. Whether you're just starting your career, saving for a big purchase, or trying to get out of debt, these tips will help you manage your money more effectively and set yourself up for long-term success. In today's fast-paced world, staying financially literate and prepared is more crucial than ever. That's why we're breaking down essential strategies tailored for millennials to navigate through financial hurdles with ease and confidence. From budgeting basics to sophisticated investment tactics, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First and foremost, creating a budget is your stepping stone towards financial control. Think of it as a financial roadmap. It guides your spending decisions and helps ensure you're not overspending or undersaving. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Use apps or spreadsheets to visualize where your money is going, which can be an eye-opener for many. Next, set realistic goals based on your financial assessment. Whether it's saving for a vacation or paying off student loans, clear goals will keep you motivated. Remember, a budget isn't a one-time setup. It's a dynamic tool that should evolve as your financial situation changes. Periodic reviews and adjustments will keep you on track. Lastly, don't forget to reward yourself when you hit your goals. It makes the journey worthwhile. An emergency fund is essentially your financial safety net meant to cover unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or sudden job loss. Without it, you're just one emergency away from potential financial disaster. Start small, even if it's just $5 a week. The key is consistency. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This might sound daunting, but with regular contributions, it's achievable. Consider opening a high-yield savings account specifically for this purpose, where your money can grow. Also, automate your savings to make the process seamless and disciplined. As your life and career evolve, revisit the size of your emergency fund. It should grow with your increasing responsibilities. Remember, this fund isn't for splurging, but for securing peace of mind. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, can spiral out of control if not addressed promptly. The first step is to list out all your debts and their interest rates. Focus on paying off the ones with the highest rates first while making minimum payments on others. This method, known as the avalanche method, reduces the amount you'll pay in interest over time and frees up more money to tackle other debts. Consider transferring your balance to a card with a lower interest rate, or taking a consolidation loan if the numbers make sense. Remember, paying off debt is not just about finding extra money, it's about prioritizing your spending. Every dollar you save on interest is a dollar that can be redirected towards your financial goals. Starting your retirement savings early harnesses the power of compound interest, turning small, regular savings into significant retirement funds over time. Begin by contributing to your employer's 401k, which is a retirement savings plan offered by many American employers if they match contributions. That's free money. If you don't have access to a 401k, consider setting up an IRA or an individual retirement account, which is a type of savings account designed to help individuals save for retirement with tax advantages. Aim to increase your contributions as your income grows. Investing in a diversified portfolio can also accelerate your retirement savings. Understand the risks and your own risk tolerance, and consider consulting with a financial advisor to tailor a plan that suits your long-term goals. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for retirement. The efforts you put in today will define the comfort of your later years. Investing is a vital tool for building wealth, but it needs to be approached with caution and knowledge. Start with the basics. Understand different types of investments: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate, among others. Diversify your investments to spread risk. It's not wise to put all your eggs in one basket. Use robo-advisors or consult with financial advisors to build a portfolio that matches your risk tolerance and financial goals. Always keep a long-term perspective. The market can be volatile in the short term, but historically it has trended upwards over the long term. Stay informed about your investments and the market conditions. Educating yourself reduces the risk and fear associated with investing. One of the most effective ways to ensure financial stability is living below your means. This doesn't mean you have to skimp on everything, but rather make more mindful spending decisions. Prioritize needs over wants, and always look for value. Use budgeting apps to help identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life. Embrace a minimalist lifestyle if that suits your personality. It can lead to significant savings. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar that can be invested in your future. Avoid lifestyle inflation, especially after a pay raise. Keeping your expenses constant while increasing your income will accelerate your financial goals. The landscape of personal finance is constantly evolving, and staying informed is key to managing your money effectively. Subscribe to financial newsletters, listen to podcasts, and read books to keep up with new trends and tools. Consider attending workshops or webinars to deepen your understanding of complex financial topics. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Engage with a community of like-minded individuals who can offer support and insights. Continuous learning is not just about keeping up, it's about getting ahead. Remember, managing your finances is a marathon, not a sprint. Implement these tips gradually and stay consistent. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching Prosperity Pathway 101. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below with your favorite personal finance tip or any questions you have. Until next time, stay prosperous. Goodbye and stay awesome.